car unloaded. I parked on this side, the right side for once. I always park on the left. As I'm unloading the car, I'm like, why don't I ever park on the left? And it's because my door is over there. I like to park the car next to the door, but today I'm stupid, so that's not gonna happen. We're at the track. Just gotta get some heat in the car. They're prepping the track right now. So third pass, 60 foot's still not there. I still got about a tenth to gain in the 60. I just gotta figure it out. That's a new PB mile per hour. It's a little less than a tenth away from my PB overall ET, but that's definitely a new quarter mile per hour for this car, all motor. Gonna toss the Hoosiers on. They're a little smaller tire and they're a little lighter, so can't change a gear right now, but I can change a tire size. Got the Hoosiers on now. Like I said, it's about 25-inch tire. These are 26-inch tire, so this will give us a little quicker rollout on the 60 foot. I would say the tires definitely helped. I didn't even change the tune or anything. It just puts in that power band better. In the 60 foot, like I said, 60 is usually low to mid 1.4s. I'll take it.